I remember my kids asking me to play with them, and I would just be like, I'm too tired. Just slowing down and paying attention to the pain itself took a huge toll on me. I was feeling like I can't be physically active. That was the part that made me feel the most hopeless. I was in the middle of training for a 20-mile run, and I started feeling pain, mostly in my left foot, and it would spread through my feet, and then it'd be hard to walk. I felt pain in every square inch of my body. All these pieces of my life were stopping. I had wanted to do physical therapy, but it was too expensive, so we couldn't afford it. Then when I saw the option of Sword by insurance, I just was like, that's exciting, so I made the appointment right away. Having a virtual option where I don't have to find a babysitter or someone to cover care, it was very fitting to start that type of a program. I think that my journey of getting out of that dark cycle would have taken a lot longer. Having the physical therapist being someone that I could actually just casually talk with about what was going on made the whole program work and really feel good throughout the entire process. You have the power to get out of it. I just would love to tell someone that it is something to be proud of. It's a very isolating feeling. That journey has let me be so much more present. I'm excited that I get to do this with my kids and really has helped me feel more content with where I'm at right now.